Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is finally the day that I get to do a video on my Jordan. I think since the very start of me making or trying to make YouTube videos, I've been wanting to make a video on my Jordan and tell you all about it. And today is going to be that day. Finally, I've pulled the car out and brought it down somewhere nice, same place as the DC5, and I'm going to show you around it and tell you a little bit more about it. I think it's just over 5 years now I've owned the Jordan, so quite a long time. Went through quite a lot with the car, fell out with it quite a lot, but yeah, today I'm going to show you around it. Try and use the drone again, don't know how that will work out, and yeah, tell you a bit about it and what all I've done to it. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is my 1999 Honda Civic Jordan. It's number 234 out of 500 that were ever made. I've owned the car now for about 5 years, just over 5 years, and I've went through quite a lot. At the start I bought it, I wanted to keep it relatively standard, not really bother with it. It didn't really last too long. I think within the first week there was a set of Meister R coilovers fitted. The next week maybe a Spoon M1. Next week was the B pipe getting changed. And yeah, really it never was standard after I bought it. I'll tell you a bit about it now. At the minute it's lowered on airlift V2 suspension, air suspension. On a 3-piece Smiths, they're 9.5 at the rear and 7.5 on the front. On the outside, the usual fog lights and stuff like that there. Lights have been painted black. Carbon spoiler, Spoon carbon spoiler and Spoon mirrors as well. Other than that, it's kept quite simple on the outside, and again, interior is still the same. I'll show you a wee bit around it here now, and then I'll catch you back then. Okay, so a couple other wee modifications is I have a wooden Nardi steering wheel. I think it's a limited edition Nardi steering wheel. I got it at Christmas there as a present, so it was quite nice. I'll show you the angled Spoon M1 if we can get down in below there. And I don't know if you'll see them, but there's also a set of Function 7 lower control arms too. D2 camber arms on the rear. Actually, I don't need to run any camber arms on the front, which is quite nice. The wheels sit pretty nice on the front. Obviously this is with a spacer, this isn't just a 7.5 inch wheel. What else about the car really? There's the carbon spoiler and the old school powered by Honda sticker that came on, I think it came on most of the Jordans. This is a different boot lid from the one that came on the car. I bought this one smoothed off. But both of them came with powered by Honda on them, so I'll let you have a look at the air tank and the boot build. I did want to tidy the boot build up, but it just never happened. And now with the Integra as well, I don't really want to spend much money on the Jordan at the minute. Yeah, I'll show you around the interior here quickly. Obviously now this is the interior that comes with the Jordans, the yellow and black. Sorry about the mess, the drone and stuff sitting. Yeah, the usual interior that comes with them. I didn't want to get, well I did at the start, I put a set of red Recaros in it. I didn't think it looked great, so back in went the standard interior. So now I'll show you the engine bay and tell you what's done to there. The thing that has changed quite a few times in this car is the engine. Unfortunately the first engine, the oil pump failed, so I went and bought a B16A1, and unfortunately it didn't last either. Then jumped back to a B16-2, didn't last, and in the finish up we've now got a B16B with the wheel penis induction kit, and then the Mugen Jasma, if you can see it, Mugen Jasma 421. There's also a B-pipe, custom made B-pipe on it as well. Other than that, there's not a lot done to the engine. It was rebuilt. I think the head was rebuilt now. I don't want to say all of the engine was built. It was built by Type 2 in Belfast. I'll link them down below, as they're good guys. They know everything about Hondas and they've always kept me right. So put a wee link of their their website down below. So yeah, I honestly can't think of anything more to tell you about it. Just simple wee things, I suppose, is the fact that there wee filter is broken, which I'll need. But this is just wee things that have happened with the car sitting over. The carbon valve cover, then the Y56 rocker cover as well. And I think I showed you before, the holes cut out for the camber arms to come up, which has been welded, but obviously it's going to need painted yellow some stage. I don't know if it's going to happen. But yeah, back to a few more shots of the car possibly. Guys, so I hope you've enjoyed seeing the Jordan out finally. Only took 6 months. I'm going to be putting it away for a wee while now, as it's still, there's a wheel stud broken on the left side, so I'm really only running 3 wheel studs. A bit stupid to be even bringing the car out, but I wanted to get this video done while the weather's been good. While I have yous again, thank you very much for everybody that's been viewing the videos I've been making. I want to keep trying to make at least 2 per day, or 2 per week. So it'll probably be the DC5 next. I have got a few wee things that I could stick on this here. I don't know if you would like them. I'll try and well, do you know what? It's a set of neons for the emblem of the car. So why don't you let me know down below if you think a set of neons would look right on the Jordan, and I will try and get the part ordered to fix it. Other than that, it's just really nice to look at, and I've spent that much money on it now that I'm more or less finished with the car. I just want to try and enjoy the car. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.